Jamaica
The
Watch
suspected cases have been detected in 3 of the 4 hardest hit parishes in Western Jamaica. National epidemiologist Dr. Karen Webster Carr provided the update on the situation during a press briefing on Sunday.
We are seeing an increase in leptospirosis post-Melissa 2 weeks after. So far, we have 11 cases that have been classified as leptospirosis based on the symptoms. So we may have gotten additional notification, but when we look at what the person presented with, only 11 would have been classified as suspected leptospirosis. So these cases are in the parishes of St. James, Hanover, St. Elizabeth, and St. Anne.
The virus is spread through contact or consumption of water contaminated with the urine of rats or other animals such as cats. Symptoms of leptospirosis include fever and body aches. Severe cases of the virus can affect the liver, kidneys, and cause death.
Some of these will present just like a normal flu. We are asking you to seek care early so that we can address the problems early, put in place treatment so that we can prevent it from getting worse.